back to another episode of MBG. Have you ever thought of going green at home? Today I'm at the plant souk in the wholesale market and I'm going to share some great plants and top tips to get you started. So let's go and check it out. So if you've got not much sunlight in your home, no worries. There are some plants that can survive really well without any light. And here are 5 plants that you can start with. So this is Yasser from Floranza. Welcome, Yasser.
Yes, ma'am.
And Yasser's going to give us some tips and tell us about some plants here at the store. So this one here is great for indoors.
Yeah, indoor, low light area.
How many hours of sun each day?
No need sunlight. Dark area also okay.
No sunlight at all. So you can put this in a dark spot.
Dark spot, yeah.
And it's going to grow.
Yeah, it's grow.
And how big does this grow?
This is not grow more because you know this is cut from here. So the leaf only grow, not much, little bit more grow.
So maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit more.
This would be great for the corner somewhere in the house. So our third plant for low light conditions is this plant here, which is a climbing plant. What's it called, Yasser?
This is Epipremna.
Okay, and how long does it take to grow this high?
This is fast growing plant, you know, like 3 to 4 months it's coming like this height.
So because, 3 to 4 months it will take to grow this high.
Like this.
And I love the colours on the leaves.
Yeah, it's natural color. It's like this coming. Some plants have it's different, but this is natural color.
When you say low light...
Low light, no need more light, like 12 hours normally you keep it like this. Light area, okay. No need sunlight like this.
So here's another great plant for low light. And what's this called, Yasser?
This is Aglonema silver bay.
And so are these really easy to look after, these plants?
Yeah, this is very low maintenance plant.
Another low maintenance.
Yeah, low maintenance plant.
We like that. Low maintenance always is good. And one thing I wanted to ask you actually is about the air conditioners in Qatar. Does that make a difference to these plants?
Yeah, it's need always AC. Means like 12 hours must need AC. Otherwise it's coming damage because it's coming from Holland.
So these plants are coming from Holland. So it's good that it's indoors with a bit of AC.
AC.
Okay, great. Thank you for that. Yeah. So yeah, so let's talk about how to care for plants because it's really important to know what to do so we can maintain and prolong the life of our greenery in our house. So just tell me, yellow leaves, what does that mean?
It means too much water if it gets yellow. Where it needs very less water. If you put too much water, the leaf coming yellow.
Oh, so actually if the leaves are yellow, it means you're watering it too much.
Yeah.
So you need to cut back, obviously. Once a week is good?
Once a week, very less
good?
water. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
So how do you test if you've given enough water?
You can test with your finger because it's too much water.
So put your finger right down and
inside.
test if it's damp. And if it's dry,
you put water.
You put the water in.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. So the other thing you said is that iron. Iron is really good for plants, right?
It's coming in like this, then you can use this iron.
So iron, you can grab a bottle of iron, which is available at the stores.
Yeah.
And just read the instructions. Give it once a week or twice.
Once a month.
Once a month.
Yeah.
And then the other thing you suggest is to fertilize.
Yeah, fertilizer. Monthly one time fertilizer also need.
And that will really boost the plants and make them green?
Yeah, make this one make green always. The plants green and it's vitamin, same vitamin.
Okay, great. So another great thing about shopping at the plant souk is that the staff are really friendly and really knowledgeable. So you'll be able to ask them any advice and they'll be able to give you some great tips. Does this one grow really well inside?
Yeah, it's inside.
Great. Okay, I'll take that one. Thanks. So that's just my brief intro for low light gardening for indoor plants. See you next time. Bye for now.